Alright, so I had to do some errands today. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Anyways, that's the second newish deep cycle battery that I had. Here's this one. That one, I had it charging for about an hour, and relatively about 13 volts. And keep in mind, this is the one that was dated for 413, and it would not get past 9 volts, so I deemed it having a bad cell. So as soon as I cut the charger off, it'll drop right down to 9 volts. So I'm deeming that one having a bad cell most likely, which is going to be pretty hard for me to do anything about. Now this one, on the other hand, what's crazy is that one was made in 4th month of 13, and you see there, this one here is made the 1st month of 13. And look at this. This one's been charging up all day because I had much higher hopes for it. When I cut my charger off, turn it off here in the off position, look at my voltage. Staying right around 12.1. So I know I could definitely bring that one back. At least where we'll hold a little bit. But I've been charging it, I just bumped my amps up when I got home. I had it going about 3 or 4 amps, but now it's close to about 5-ish amps. So, yeah, gonna leave that going for a while. The old Interstate battery here, I had it charging up all day. This old little charger here says 6 amps that it's on. There's the little meter, but I'll be honest with you, when I put my amp clamp around it, it's only putting out about 4 amps. 3-4 amps, so not really putting out a 6. But anyways, that one's been on there all day. Took it off. I should have had my voltmeter out here, but when I tested it, as soon as I took the charger off, it dropped to about 9. So kind of suspecting that to have a bad cell as well. But hey, at least this one here is doing good, and might possibly have 1 out of 3 good batteries, which I'm perfectly fine with that if that's the case. At least not all 3 are bad. So, but hey, they'll make good cores for something. That'll be a good core, and that one down there will. So, but anyways, guys, just wanted to give you a little update on it. We'll definitely keep an eye out on it. I'll just mess around with it a little bit more tomorrow and see what, if I could at least get this one right there up and going. So, all right, be looking for an update soon, guys. Thank you for watching.